It's shaping to be a consolidation kind of the day for benchmark Nifty. GIFT Nifty is pointing to a red open for the benchmark Nifty. Our call of the day suggests that there are reasons for optimism, but that said, buying on dips should be the preferred trading strategy. The key positive catalysts which are likely to keep optimism alive at Dalal Street. 1. Reliance Industries, plus 5.07%, led from the front post its Q4 FY25 results that beat street estimates. 2. India's restraint after Pahalgam terror attack. 3. Easing US-China trade tensions. A positive US-China trade negotiations could lead to an epic rally. 4. Inflation in the US is cooling and the job market is weakening, which may lead the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates again. 5. The Sell India trade is on the pause by the FII's camp after they net bought to the tune of Rs. 17,796.30 crores in the week gone by. Technically, above 24,359.30 mark, high as on 23rd April 2025, the next goalpost is at 24,858 mark, high as on 5th December 2024. Long story short, Nifty's next bullish goalpost is placed at 24,858 mark, high as on 5th December 2024. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's positive session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 2474 crores while 2 DII net bought shares to the tune of Rs 2818 crores. Sentiments for the day could turn risky for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are suggesting a consolidation day. Fanome month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 16.94 levels. At last check, USD INR 28th May expiry was hovering at 85.25. Nifty PCR 29th May is at 1.17 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 29th May is at 0.9963. Nifty outlook, consolidation day is quite likely. Nifty, CMP to 4329. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 24,121 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,860 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,150 and 24,550. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 55433. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 54,800 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 56,100 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 55,000 and 56,000. Bias for the day is positive. Even if there is a lower open, we suspect upbeat sentiments are likely to prevail at Dalal Street after Nifty bulls made a solid comeback in yesterday's trade. Meanwhile, keeping traders on edge will be comments from Pakistan Defence Minister Khwaja Asif, who said Pakistan was on high alert and that it would only use its arsenal of nuclear weapons if there is a direct threat to our existence. All eyes will be on the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation measure, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, which comes on Wednesday. The week will end with the US March jobs report to be wired on Friday, 2nd May 2025. Amongst stock-specific action, this week is big for investors. It includes major earnings from Apple, Amazon, Microsoft and Facebook parent Meta platforms. For the day, amongst corporate India's Q4 earnings to trickle in are Ambuja Cement, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, BPCL, Seat, Indomart, Trent. IndusInd Bank has said that its deputy CEO, Arun Khurrana, has resigned with immediate effect, weeks after the private lender disclosed accounting lapses in its derivatives portfolio. Arun Khurrana headed the global markets division of the bank, which included the derivatives portfolio. SML Isuzu hit a minus 10% lower circuit after month end, plus 2.32%, said it would acquire the company.